Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to our class. I am your instructor Adil Raza, and today we have to go through a topic from grade 8, and the competency is grammar. So what's our topic for today? Today we have to discuss the topic correct usage of articles. Students, is there anybody who have an idea about the articles? Yes students. Yes Mustafa. What is meant by the articles? What is meant by the word article or articles? Yes. Information. No. Articles in terms of parts of speech, in terms of category of words. I'm not talking about the news articles. Yes. What about you? Yes, from students from online. Is there anybody who have an idea about the articles? Nobody. So students, this is the SLO. Apply the rules and correct usage of articles through reading, speech and writing. Students, we will learn what is meant by the articles and how to use the articles correctly in speech and written format. Is that clear? So it was the SLO of the grade 8, and here we have almost the same SLO in grade 6 and 7. So let's move to our topic. Here we have the definition of articles. What is meant by an article? An article is actually a category of words which are used to specify anything. Is that clear? Articles is actually a part of speech, a category of words which used to specify anything, any noun. Is that clear? So what is meant by the article? An article is a word that identifies the noun or noun phrase that comes after it as being either general or specific. यानी किसी चीज को जनरलाइज या स्पेसिफाई करने के लिए हम कुछ अल्फाज इस्तेमाल करते हैं, वो क्या कहलाते हैं? आर्टिकल्स. एंड इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज वी हैव ओनली 3 आर्टिकल्स, A, N and B. Is that clear? Have you any idea about the usage of A, N and the? Yes students. What's that? Where to use them? Where we have to use A, where we have to use an, and where we have to use the. Yes. जो मूवमेंट सडनली होते हैं, बाउल्स होते हैं जो. ओके, व्हाट्स योर नेम? Muhammad. Muhammad next. Muhammad Ahmad. So Ahmad said that we use A with those words which are not starts with a vowel sound. Is that right? We use A to specify those things which names are start from a consonant sound. Is that clear? What else? So an is used with those words which starts with a vowel sound. Is that clear? So an is used with those words which starts with a vowel sounds. A is used with the words which starts from a consonant. Is that clear? Yes students. But the question is that where to use the? To specify a noun. बहुत अच्छे. Clap for him. He said that A is used with those words which starts with consonant, and is used with those words which starts with vowel, and D is used with those words. D is used to specify a noun. बहुत अच्छे अहमद. The students, almost the story is the same as the Ahmad described. But the story is not much simple as Ahmed states. Is that clear? There are some complexities. Is that clear? There are some complexities which we have to figure out. So students, why articles are important? Firstly, we have to understand this, because they helps to clarify the meaning of the noun in your sentence. Articles are used to clarify the meaning of the noun in a sentence. Is that clear? It comes before a noun to show its specific or general. ये किसी नाउन से पहले इस्तेमाल होके ये बताते हैं कि वो नाउन स्पेसिफिक नाउन है या जनरल है, यानी कॉमन नाउन है या प्रॉपर नाउन है. बात समझ आ गई? इज दैट क्लियर? लाइक ही इज गोइंग टू ईट एन एप्पल, ही इज गोइंग टू ईट एन एप्पल. इज दैट क्लियर? सो एप्पल इज अ जनरल नाउन, एप्पल इज अ कॉमन नाउन कि नहीं? क्या ख्याल? दुनिया के जितने भी सेब हैं, what they are? Apple. But he or she is going to eat one particular apple, so that's why when we have to make a common noun to a specific noun, when we have to specify a common noun into proper noun, then we use the articles. Is that clear? He is going to eat an apple, one particular apple. Is that clear? He is not going to eat all the apples of the world. Is that clear? बहुत अच्छे. So students, we have two kinds of articles. Firstly, the definite articles, and secondly, the indefinite articles. So the definite articles refers to a specific noun using the. So definite articles are those which define something, which make something definite, which makes something specific, while indefinite articles are used when a noun is not specific. Is that clear? So students, when the noun is already specific, then we use the. When the noun is definite, like a कायदे-आज़म नहीं होगा, the कायदे-आज़म होगा. Is that right or not? Because Qaid-e-Azam is a specific noun. So when the thing is already specific, then we use definite article. Is that clear? And definite article is the or the. Is that clear? The both are the sounds of this article. If the sound next to the is vowel, then we pronounce it as the. And if the sound next to the is consonant, then we pronounce it the. Is that clear? Like the Qaid-e-Azam and the apples. Is that clear? So students, definite articles are actually used with the specific names, specific persons, to make something special. Is that clear? And indefinite articles are used with general names. Is that clear? Is it clear? So is and an are indefinite articles used with general things to make them specific, and the is used with those which are already specific. Is that clear? Yes, is it clear? किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन? कोई क्वेश्चन यहां तक किसी का? Is it clear? So let's move further. Yes, from online. Yes, Zen, what's your question?
सर आपकी आवाज बहुत हल्की आ रही है.
बहुत कम आ रही है?
यस.
जी लुकमान. So students, definite article. The is called the definite article and it refers to specific nouns. It is used with specific noun. What is meant by the specific noun? The proper nouns. In last lecture, you guys have go through the proper nouns. क्या नहीं पढ़ा? पढ़ा था ना? So it is used with the proper nouns. The definite articles can be used with the singular and plural or uncountable nouns. So the can be used with singular, with the plural, and with the countable and uncountable both. Is that clear? For example, the apple I ate yesterday was sweet. The book on the table is mine. So the can be used anywhere. Now we have indefinite articles. So an is used when it precedes a word that begins with a vowel sound. Is that clear? And a is used when it precedes a word that begins with a consonant sound. Is that clear? But there is one more thing. A and an only use with singular nouns. Is that clear? An apple to hoga, an apples nahi hoga. Because a and an only use with the singular nouns. Is that clear? And they both use to make the common nouns to proper nouns. Is that clear? Let's move further. Here we have some rules like indefinite articles. Patience is an ability to stay calm in difficult situations. So what is the noun with which the word an is used? Ability. So what is ability? Ability is a singular noun. That's why we use an. And why we use an? We use an because the word next to an is starts with a vowel sound. Is that clear? So here we have some more rules. Like we can use the articles with the adjectives. Like Zaid bin Sana was a famous Jewish scholar. Is that clear? To make the adjectives more specified, we also use the articles. Is that clear? Yes, students. And the same is the case, she is an intelligent girl. So intelligent is an adjective and an is used because the next word is starting with the vowel sound. Is that clear? Students, the third one, to say what someone is or what job he or she does. Like he was a scholar. So we also use to specify a particular job, we also use the articles to specify a particular job. Is that clear? He is a doctor. He is an engineer. Is that clear? He is a scholar. So we can use the articles to specify the particular jobs. Is that clear? She is a student to show the person or thing. She is a student at University Road School. She is a sheep in the farm. So students, we also use to show a person or a thing, a specific person or a thing. Like student is a proper noun. Is it a proper noun? What it is? Common noun. Student is a common noun. And if we want to specify one particular student, then what we have to use? We have to use article. Is that clear? And which article will be used there? A. Because student starts with the S and S is a consonant, not the vowel. Is that clear? Let's move further. Here we have some further examples. Now we have to go through the rules of definite articles. The. We use the before a particular person or a thing. It's a very simple thing. We have to use the before a particular person or a thing. Is that clear? Like before the Quaid-e-Azam, before the Lahore, before the New York. Is that clear? When a singular noun meant to be represent as a whole class. So students, when we have to use a singular noun as a complete class, when we have to use a singular noun as a complete category, then we also use the, like the class. Class is a singular noun, but when we talk the class of students, then we have to use the before that. Is that clear? Like the revelation. What is revelation? Wahi. तो revelation क्या है? Revelation एक noun है, singular noun है, but when we have to present all the revelations, then what we will say? The revelation. Is that clear? The cow. Cow is a singular noun, but when we refer the cow as a category of animals, then we have to use the. Is that clear? Before the geographical bodies, we also use the before the name of the places. Yes. Plurality, exactly. Plurality and specificity. To make a thing specify and to make a thing plural, we use the. Is that clear? So students, if you have any question, you can ask. Is there any question? So here we have some further things. With the ordinal, like the first day, if we have to identify, if we have to mention a particular time, like the first day, the second day, the last day, then we also have to use the. Is that clear? Before an adjective, when the noun is understood, like when the Hippocrates insulted Hazrat Aisha. So students, we have to use adjective before, we have to use article the before the adjectives. Is that clear? So students, it's time for the activity. Let's read out this passage and try to identify at what place which article will come. So come up with your notebooks and try to solve this activity. निकालो अपनी कॉपीज.